Alright. I told these boys it's a problem when this chick start to rap. They told me she couldn't do it, she ain't got it like that. You say what you want, but you just talking shit cause you whack. Mad at the fact this chick be sick and don't write crap. She can see me in the studio making all the hits. I don't really give a fuck if you hating, you just a bitch and I can see it in your face. Look at the way you look at me when I walk by, I smell all of your hate. See, what you see is a bad bitch ripping it. On the microphone told you the style's fucking ridiculous. Black and red is what I'm wearing, boy, get ridiculous. To the point where you can't see me in the night. Picture this, come up with that thing on the side, popping dudes. I don't really give a fuck if you got fame, I aim at you. Spark and spray and spark. Niggas, you just know shit. Keep on going on until the motherfucking death of me. Bad chick riding, tatted like a motherfucker. I don't really give a shit, your chick, I just might pluck her. Tell her what it is, cause I'm just about to got a ring on my hand, but my baby don't know nothing. Oh, my sorry, that's my bad, that's my fault though. I don't really care if you get mad at my old flow. That just be that old shit that I spit last week. Told them what it is, but you can get it, boy, this week. See me in that NY Times Square, baby, passing out all of my CDs on fuck you payment. Told these motherfuckers that I'm sick just like the rabies. Don't care what you say, what you be talking, never fade me. Fuck a house party, cause I'm all about the Benjamins. Keep on talking up, I told them women that I'm swimming in. They don't understand, I put them in the bad predicament. Fuck them so good, I done told all of they ligaments. They don't understand the shit, she be ripping it. 4 eyes is what they call me, it's alright, I'm still a trip. My shoelace tied, slurred in my speech, but this is how I ride. Free off the dome, nigga, none of this is written just to show you out there right now that there is no competition. Told you what it is, a bitch like me is on a mission to make sure I'm in the game and make sure niggas always listen. Pay attention to the bars and I'm telling you some goodness. I don't care what you saying, but buddy, this is the truth. It's me, and I will never change. Catch me in my little whip, you call a bitch witch, switching lanes. Fresher than a motherfucker. I don't really care what you say, I'm one tough motherfucker. You can say what it is, buddy, you a rookie. Your girl gon' see me and I know she gon' hook me. Gon' want me to book it, gon' want me to do it. I'm just doing me, so why the fuck you still looking? Camera action, nigga take a picture. Told him what it is, I'm on the money making mission. I won't stop until I get it, so you know just what it is. You can say whatever, but niggas don't know the biz. I'm too fucking legit, never ever quit. But you see what I do, so you know just what it is. And who do you to assume that I don't be the hardest? Told him this is just a little flow, show him something. Just giving you a taste, and in the meanwhile I want your chick to bust it in my face. Hey. Yeah, follow me, sister, brother. Welcome to my, welcome to my